RUBEZH interface modules, compliant with EN 5418 standard, used to receive alerts from regular actuators and to transmit them to control panel. IM1 and IM4 are used for interaction with dry contact devices. IM1 and IM4 input modules are powered by the addressable communication line. IM1 has one input and IM4 has four inputs. The input can be configured both as a fire alarm input or as a process input. If the input is set as a fire alarm one, fire alarm signals are generated by the RUBEZH system, pre-alarm and fire. If the input is set as a process one, signals to the event log are generated. If two dry contacts are connected to process input, the system can differentiate actuation between the two dry contacts and use this information to generate control signals. IOCM43 input-output module, used for interaction with conventional radial line-powered fire detectors, detectors with dry contact type output, and for controlling actuators with transmission of lines and output status information to control panel. IOCM43 requires 12 VDC or 24 VDC external power supply for operation. Similarly to IM devices, IOCM43 supports both fire alarm and process loops. Comprises two power supply outputs with circuit integrity control, one dry contact relay, four power supply fire alarm lines and conventional detectors. IOM22 input-output module, used to control external actuators and to monitor their status using two inputs. IOM22 input-output modules are powered through the addressable communication line. One of the examples of IOM22's application is smoke exhaust valve control with position monitoring. IOM22 comprises two dry contact relays, two inputs for process modules connection without power supply. Let's have a look at the terminal boards. To remove the device's cover, use a flat screwdriver to release the cover latches by pressing the locks. The blue-colored ACL terminals are used to connect the module to RUBEZH addressable communication line. Please note that the terminals have no plus or minus indication as they support unipolar connection, which simplifies system commutation. The green-colored input terminals are used to connect conventional detectors. The black-colored external power supply terminals, available only on IOCM43, are used to connect 12 or 24 VDC external power supply. The gray-colored relay and output terminals with circuit integrity control, available only for IOCM43 and IOM22, are used to connect external control devices. Each module's PCB also has indicators displaying the status of outputs and of connection with control panel. Opening of the module's casing is controlled by a micro switch. To sum up, the main advantages of RUBEZH interface modules are compatibility with a wide range of conventional detectors with an option of 2 or 4-wire conventional detector wiring layout, control of conventional input for open circuit, short circuit and alarm signals, easy installation, DIN rail mounting and easy colored terminal connection, unipolarity.